In front of me is TECNO Phantom V Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. As you can see, Clipboard is empty and it's already activated. Now to use it, click on this X at the top left corner. Copy or cut any text. And to paste it right away, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. In order to delete it, you need to tap on this bin icon and choose Clear Clipboard. It will clear all your sentences. If you want to add it to favorites, hold the chosen one and tap on Add to Favorites. And remove it from favorites list the same way. And if you want to get rid of only one sentence, hold it and tap on Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!